Introducing the Stealth Display family, rugged displays built for every environment. Whether you're outfitting a control room, a military vehicle, or an outdoor kiosk, Stealth has a rugged display built for your application. We've organized our lineup into 3 clear categories to simplify your selection: industrial displays, rugged industrial displays, and specialty, ultra-rugged displays. If you need dependable and affordable displays for indoor environments like kiosks or operator terminals, our industrial displays are the perfect fit. This tier includes the SVZ series, featuring NEMA 4.0 bezel sealing, projected capacitive touch, 15 to 24-inch sizes, and budget-conscious pricing. For tougher conditions like factory floors or control panels, choose our rugged industrial displays. Built to endure, this includes our SV and TT series, offering NEMA 4 rating, rack mount and open frame options, wide DC voltage support, industrial-grade components, and wide temperature range options. When your mission requires maximum reliability, our specialty and ultra-rugged displays are purpose-built for extreme environments. This tier features the SVM SAW series, with highlights like IP65 rated enclosures, high brightness up to 1600 nits, full HD resolution, projected capacitive touch, IEC 60945 and IACS E10 marine compliance, and 15 to 24-inch size options. Need something more specific or unique? We offer full customization, expert guidance, and global support so you can deploy with confidence. Download the free Stealth Rugged Displays and Monitors Buyer's Guide. Find the right solution. Explore our full display lineup at stealth.com or contact us to get started.